Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. In this video I want to announce a new tier in my Patreon which is called OSCP Preparation Study Group. Now for members of this tier I will do a lecture every week. So this means 4 lectures per month, and in these lectures we will prepare to obtain the OSCP certification. Now, specifically, we will take vulnerable machines from common platforms like ActiveBox, TryAcme, VulnHub, and I will showcase a resolution step by step of the machine. And after we solve the machine, I will go back and I will do a discussion over the most important knowledge that you can extract for the machine and that can help you prepare for the OSCP exam and a similar certification, related certification. Now here I'm gonna leave you a 50% discount coupon code for the first month. And in this video I want to discuss about the approach that I will use to organize this lecture. So what's going to be the approach? So as I said, we will start from the TJ null list. So we will go through this list, which is a very useful resource because it showcases useful machines that you can use to prepare for OSCP, like Linux boxes, Windows boxes, Active Directory boxes, and even post OSCP difficulty level. So we will do a bunch of everything, Linux, Windows, Active Directory, and for each machine we will do a full walkthrough, and then we will write the report, and I will provide a cheat sheet with all the commands and all the things to set up the exploitation environments so that you can replay it on your own. Now, for some other weeks, I will also do lectures that are not strictly related to vulnerable machines, but that go over a general understanding of a penetration testing, so other kind of private lecture, and that cover specific techniques such as network pivoting, lateral movement, hash cracking, that maybe you don't see too often in vulnerable machines. So more specialized on one technique, where maybe I can use multiple machines in the same lecture to showcase that particular technique. Basically, you can think of this study group as a university lecture, right? You can ask questions, you can provide feedback, let's talk about this technique, let's do this machine, let's showcase this thing. And with the limit of my knowledge, of course, if I can teach you that, if I know about that and I can teach you that, I can prepare specific material on that regard. And you will be also able to interact with other peers so that we can create study groups to help prepare for OSCP certification. So yeah, basically it's a hands-on university lecture. Now, in terms of organization, as I said, it is 1 lecture per week, and I will try to have them on Saturday from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Central European time. And these lectures will happen in a self-hosted platform that I have and that will be communicated to those of you who join the tier. So it's a private self-hosted platform where I can do screencasting, I can share my screen, I can share my webcam and my voice, and you will be able to join in, ask questions, and learn. Now, if you cannot come to the live lecture, however, all lectures will be recorded and uploaded to a private PeerTube instance. So you will have everything organized even if you cannot come to the live lecture. You will have the video of the lecture, you will have the material that we developed during the lecture, and you will have the exercise that sometimes I will give to the students to help them prepare for OSCP. And in order to organize all of this, I have created a private Telegram channel where you can join. There's gonna be one, the channel is gonna be divided into the Italian section and into the international section. This is because I have 2 channels. I have an Italian community and an international community, and I want to do, the lectures will be one in Italian and one in English. So all week you're gonna have the English lecture for international people so that we can bridge the language barrier basically. So it's going to be all in English, and for the Italian people who follow me, I'm also going to provide Italian lectures as well. So basically that is the idea. I want to start off this little group preparation study group, and I think it can be useful. especially if you want to prepare for OSCP. Here is the coupon code, and let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any feedback on the matter. Thank you very much, and to the next video.